Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've made a video on these three companies before. The first one is Cuddle, which has a program that draws that out. Now, I could literally draw it out myself, but I couldn't do it this fast and intersect the names maybe precisely. And they've actually got the count, like the D is 2, the B is 3, it's got all the H is 4, just like a Scrabble board. But anyway, go to Cuddle. I'll leave the websites at the bottom of the video. The other one is Creative Cut Supplies, and I linked their dual type. This is their dual type. It is a double-sided sticky tape, indoor only. They're actually working on an outdoor, I think. But it is so easy to use, and I just bought, he sent me some samples, and I just bought my first order. I was really impressed with the shipping. Got here fast. They sent me an email when it shipped. They sent me an email when it was delivered, or what it was on, tracking. And I bought a 12-inch roll by 75 feet, so I'll have it probably forever. But my alder that I use for this part of the wood is 4 by 12 inches, so I can just unroll some on my desk out by the laser, put the wood on it, take an X-Acto knife and cut it, and put it away for next. I actually keep this indoors because my shop gets either too hot or too cold. And the other one is True Flat Plywood that sells plywood, and they sell that. Well, they don't like. Well, they do sell plywood, I think, but this is a painted product called HDF, stands for high density fiberboard, just like MDF, which is medium density fiberboard. This stuff is unbelievably a painted product. This is linen, and it looks really good on this ornament, if you look at that. And they sell walnut, they sell cherry and oak. Anyway, go to those websites and look them at. Now, Cuddle is a paid prescription. I probably had it for 8 years and made hundreds of items. But anyway, I had to make 22 of these yesterday. Well, I was having trouble getting this part lined up on the backside. So I made a jig. So just take your dowel, measure it, make some test holes in a scrap piece of plywood, and make sure it's tight. And then this is two stacks. So I don't even have to glue it together. The dowels are going to keep it in place, and it's going to keep it exactly right. And the good thing about it, when you make your 2 jigs, you're going to have 2 backs already ready. So then you take your jig and you put your back in there. You take your front side, turn it over and take off the dual type tape. And this made life so easy after I started doing it with this jig, because I was having trouble lining up all the edges, because once this stuff pretty much touches, it's not coming off. I mean, it's really good stuff. And then just for inside, I put the waste piece that comes out of there into the slot, and then I can put my text blocks that looks like Scrabble into that block, and then take this piece out. And then I, use my thumbs and fingers to press that down, and they're not coming off. So anyway, I'll leave these 3 websites at the bottom of my video, or this video. And I'm also going to leave my email if you need some help with this product or anything, a file or anything. Now, Creative Cut Supply also sells plywood, and I use their plywood. And so these 3 are probably my go-to places to get product. And if you went to a Christmas show and you had these sitting around and you had a bunch of blanks already cut, while the people were waiting, you could cut this out in like 2 minutes, wipe it off with alcohol. Both these products are wipeable. That's what would be the good part of the show. You don't have to do any sanding. Everything just wipes clean. And if you look at that, I don't know how much you could get for it. I'm not in that type of business, but I suspect you could do quite well. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.